Hello people, welcome to Good Luck Trades. On Thursday, that is on 18th of September, it was our 17th day of live trading session. Unfortunately, we took a loss of $504. In totality, we have taken 4 trades. First was into MNQ and there we made the biggest mistake. We trailed our SL way above the initial setup SL. So we broke our rules and went against our setup, and that's how we took the major loss of around $300 into that first trade. Second trade was into gold. We closed it by SL according to SL only, but we didn't take a loss over there, a small amount of profit. Third trade again into gold, we went short and there we hit SL with negativity, with negative. And then fourth was into platinum. We went long over there and we hit again RSL. The setup into all 4 trades was good, but the execution into first trade was very poor. And that's how we lost this much of money. If you want to watch the highlights, you can watch. Now maybe we can do the sell.
Order filled.
And our TP would be across this line. That's not good, people. That's not good. That was not the suppose. We have done very bad mistake. How can we let it happen? And now I'm still like, now because I've trailed the SL, doesn't make any sense now for me. This was a very wrong decision. Very wrong decision. Very wrong decision. Shit. No, dear, no.
Order filled.
What a mistake I have done, people. What a mistake I have done. Rule breaking should not be done, and that I have done. That exactly I have done. How can I do that? Better decision with smaller SL. Now into 3 minutes, it seems like it has breaked our green line. And into 5 minutes, what does it say? It has again said that it has broken our line twice. What should we do, people? Should we take a short position now? Let us
Order
do it.
filled.
We have done it, people. And our SL is here, somewhere here. $150 SL. Are we able to take TP today into this position? What do you think? I'm being positive. My TP is still 192, but my SL is 22. Miraji said New Zealand. Alrighty, so you might not understand my Hindi when I speak. I'm from India. Guys, we are about to hit our SL. And that is perfectly fine. Nobody gonna cry. Nobody gonna feel sad. It's okay. It's okay. We are in accordance with our rule. This can happen. This will keep happening. We just have to stick to our rules. We're not gonna trail. The mistake I've done last time is I trailed my SL like from here to somewhere up. Oh. And then when it changed the trend, it just hit my $295 SL. Trading. And all of my days from day 1 to day 16, I'm live. I'm learning. I don't know a lot of meaning. The other day, I didn't even know the meaning of. Now we have to close, guys.
Order filled.
I've closed it. Why? So it crossed our red line. Can you see? It has crossed our red line, so I just closed the trade. What we took at home, let's just see it. सब लोग मिलके देखेंगे. $24 हमने लिया है, guys. $24.
Order filled.
I have sell sort into the market, guys, by looking at the 5-minute chart. I've done it again. I've done it once before, and I've done it again. Don't think people are SL is as big as I have put it. No, we are not gonna take SL of 118. We're gonna trade it. It just initially I've put it. You're gonna lose lot of by following this type of trading. Lot of money. Are you gambling? Universe जी यार, तुमने ही सब लोगों की आंखें खोली हैं. I was not able to do that. You are a true human. What should I do? Human supporter. True human supporter. We're gonna hit our SL, people. Let's go into platinum. What do you think? Should I take a long position here? Right now, right here.
Order filled.
हमारा SL hit हो गया guys. Gold में. Do you think we should take a long position now? Because then price moves very fast into platinum. It gets stuck at one point and then it moves very fast. Then we'll miss the train.
Order filled.
I have bought it, people. And we have put a $155 of SL. Do not worry. That is a minimal SL into platinum. So our red is the action line. Our green is the safety line. Might I want to keep it more down. This is our 5-minute chart. वैसे भी प्लैटिनम पता है क्या करता है, नालायक बहुत है. अगर मेरा एसएल बंद होगा, अगर मैंने $90 का एसएल लगाया ना, तो $115 का एसएल लेता है वो, और मैंने 290 का टीपी लगाया तो वो मुझे 290 ही देता है. I don't know why it happens, but it happens a lot with me. Minded people, 420 is not our TP. We have just capped it. What is our TP then? Our TP would always be, we're gonna take the profit by tracing this green safety line. So we're gonna trail our SL and we're gonna close our trade in accordance with the green line. Just for the caution, I have put a TP and a SL. Do not think that I'm gonna take the TP there and SL here. Clear? Are we gonna hit our SL? That would be a sad thing if we do. That would be a very, very sad thing. We have waited for the setup actually. हमने ऐसे वेट यहाँ किया था, हमें ये वाली मूव कैप्चर करनी थी जो हम नहीं कर पाए. और अब क्या है ना, $110 नेगेटिव में है गाइस हम. कुछ क्षण और, हे प्रभु डू सम चमत्कार, सेव अस फ्रॉम दिस संकट की घड़ी. वो यूनिवर्स जी कहाँ गए? प्लीज प्रे फॉर मी ऑल्सो. क्या फालतू का सवाल है गाइस.
Order filled.
गाइस बहुत जोर से बोला है, मुझे बहुत जोर से ऐसा धक्का लगा है. We have lost it people and our today's PNL is -500. मैं कल जब हाइलाइट्स बनाऊंगी तो मैं क्या ये हाइलाइट्स बनाऊंगी? You people tell me, no, you tell me. Were we in a bad setup guys? No. See 1, 2, 3, 4 touch point line this, 1, 2, 3 and 4 touch point line this crossed, and then we went into long position. We were into a good setup, but it can happen. On Friday we didn't do the trading. I have to be somewhere, so we couldn't do it. On Monday we're gonna do the trading. So on Monday it's gonna be day 18th of our live trading session. If you wanna watch it, you can subscribe to my channel, that is Good Luck Trades. Hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I come live. And yeah, see you there. Bye.